More news coming in. NSUI, the students' wing of the Congress, is protesting against Savarkar flyover in Bengaluru. NSUI demanded that the flyover be renamed after an actual, a real freedom fighter like Bhagat Singh. BJP says the name board of the flyover named after Veer Savarkar at the Yelahanka in Bengaluru was allegedly blackened out by members of the NSUI. They even placed a banner renaming it as Bhagat Singh flyover on top of it. The flyover has been renamed automatically by members of the Congress. This, in fact, is the students' wing of the Congress party that has been protesting, asking why this should be called the Veer Savarkar flyover. The authority decided to name it the Veer Savarkar flyover. Just remember, is on the highway, and the decision by the central government. Sagai is getting asked more details on that story. Sagai, what can be done in this case when the NSUI is objecting? This, of course, is a call that the central government is taking, isn't it? It's a flyover that comes directly under the central government.
This flyover is near Yelahanka, and this was renamed after Veer Savarkar when BJP was in power. Even at that point of time, there was a lot of opposition from Congress leaders stating that why don't you rename after regional freedom fighters or Karnataka freedom fighters. Despite protest and opposition from the Congress, BJP was hellbent and they had renamed this particular flyover after Veer Savarkar. And this morning, NSUI had protested in front of flyover, and they also smeared black ink on the name board of that particular Veer Savarkar flyover in Yelahanka. And they have also put a banner on that particular flyover stating that it is a Bhagat Singh flyover, and they have also demanded the Karnataka government to rename after Bhagat Singh. This particular flyover comes under BBMP jurisdiction in Yelahanka of Bengaluru.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details at this point in time from Bengaluru.